I know, dude. This show is really cool, dude. Yeah. Oh, hey guys, what you watching? We're watching a show from Sesame Place. Sesame Place? Is it a show with all the Sesame Street characters? Yeah. Oh, I see you and Gloria in there. Am I in there? Well, am I in there? Am I in the show? Am I in the show right now? How do we break it to him, dude? Big Bird. Yeah? You're not in the show. I'm not in the show! Why am I not in the show? Why? Big Bird. Okay, let me see who's in here. I used to be the most famous Sesame Street character, and now I'm not in this. Big Bird, you were never the most famous Sesame Street character. I was. Elmo, I was in Sesame Street before you. You were the one that ruined Sesame Street. Why am I not in the show? I'm not in the show. What? Is that Telly? Yeah? Telly's in here, but not me. Telly's not even in Sesame Street anymore. Why am I not in here? And who was that? Who was that human? What is this? Why am I not in the show? Big Bird, why am I not in the show? I deserve to be in the show. I'm not cool. Big Bird, you are cool. No, I'm not. Okay, you're not. Grover! No, Big Bird, you are cool. You're just not in the show. Well, I used to be the most famous Sesame Street character. Why am I not in the show? I'm going home. Such a crybaby. Why am I not in the show? You know what? I may be in the show. I want to go back to see if I'm in the show. Oh, this is a good show too, Glover. Yeah, dude. All of us are in it too. Yeah. Hey guys, what? Oh, am I in this show? I have to be in this show. Am I in the show? Is that Rosita? Why is Rosita in there? Rosita's the most underrated character in all Sesame Street. Why is she in there? Well, Big Bird, you're not going to be in every play. Well, I wasn't in the Magic of Art one, and I love art. And now I'm not in this one? This is stupid. Well, there's another Sesame Street play. Am I in that play? Well, let's see. Am I in this one? I'm not in this one either! He's a crybaby, dude. I know. That's it. I am gonna sue Sesame Street. Why am I not in the Sesame Place plays? What? Wait, what? What are you talking about, dude? I should be in the Sesame Place plays. Why am I not in them anymore? Oh, you're talking about the Sesame Place plays. What else would I be talking about? Oh, I understand. Well, are you going to give me an answer? Why am I not in the Sesame Place plays? I don't know. Give me an answer. What? Give me an answer. Rice pudding. That's not an answer. Why am I not in the Sesame Place plays? I don't know. Well, I'm gonna sue you. And you know what? Sesame Place is gonna I am gonna kick Sesame Place's anus. What? What's an anus? I'm gonna call 911.
911, what's your emergency?
Well, I tell you what's my emergency. I'm not in no Sesame Street things. Why am I not in no Sesame Street things? I want you to sue Sesame Street. Ah! Hello? 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 You should get fired from the Sesame Street place. And 911. Come look. You're actually in the show. I am? Yeah, come look. Okay. I'm in a show, guys. Yeah, you're in a show. Woohoo! I'm in a show, guys. See, I am cool. I knew that I was in a show all along. Okay. Yeah, dude, I'm out of here. I'm in a show, and I'm talking now. I fell? I'm not satisfied with that. Guys, I fell in the show.